Hey guys, that's absolutely true. Just like you see in the topic and in the thumbnail, this year you have this great chance to attend the ZABBIX Summit absolutely for free. No need to spend any money, no need to buy the plane tickets or book some hotels. Everything is absolutely free. Why? Well, because this is the first year when the ZABBIX Summit will be held online. So not in Riga, not in our ZABBIX company premises in Latvia, but only online, absolutely free, no money. All you need to do is just open the event page and click on the register button. When this will happen, it's October 30, and for those who were attending or at least were interested about a ZABBIX Summit previously, you already know that this is quite a major event. A lot of the ZABBIX experts and really knowledgeable people who are working with ZABBIX daily and using it in their company are sharing their experience and teaching, learning a lot from other guys. And this event usually is held for basically 3 days, including the fun stuff program, welcome party, after party. It's really great event. So this year, when because of all the situation in the world, it will be held online. It will be a bit different, but not worse. So first of all, mostly all the ZABBIX Summit topics will be about the fresh release of the ZABBIX 5.2 and a new functionalities that will also be introduced, of course, in the 5.2. We can expect that all the ZABBIX team speakers, like the engineers and also the CEO, gonna talk about a 5.2 for sure. But if we talk about all the other speakers from all different companies or just the monitoring gurus and experts, of course, we can expect all the different topics like monitoring of IoT, even from previous versions, some all the sort of integration and stuff like that. The event itself will be held only for the 1 day, so it's not going to be 2 or 3 days, but that's basically also the first time when one single day of the event, but it will run for almost 20 hours. First of all, the event will start in the morning of Japan and the China region. So if you are somewhere from Asia, you have your chance to, let's say, wake up at a normal time and open your computer and check out the conference. Then it will continue to the Europe time, when, let's say, the heaviest and the biggest part of the summit will be held, when also you'll hear a lot of presentations from the ZABBIX engineers and also from the Alexei, the CEO of the company. And the summit will end in the United States time zone. So if you are from the USA, you still have a chance to, again, in a proper time for your local time zone, open the internet, attend the event, and listen for a lot of the speeches. This time, like when, let's say, all of our daily routine is basically about online events, and we're hearing a lot of the webinars and conferences, everything is online, it's pretty, let's say, difficult to make it interesting because, well, I understand it's not going to be an easy task for just sit 20 hours or 10 hours, 5 hours, depends on how long do you want to attend it, and just listen for the speeches on your computer. It's just like watching a YouTube video for 20 hours. It's a bit crazy. So that's why the ZABBIX will also prepare interesting breaks between the speeches, where there will be separate, let's say, chat rooms where attendees of the summit will have a chance to chat and speak with the speakers and also with the teams from the ZABBIX company as a technical support team, sales team. So let's say if you have some painful problem with your ZABBIX installation that you cannot solve, but perhaps somebody from the technical guys will be able to help you. Or let's say if you want to find out some of the commercial services of the ZABBIX company, also somebody from the sales team for sure will give you an insight how everything goes. Workshops are also like usual casual thing for the ZABBIX Summits held in Riga. This time there will also be workshops, but they will not be held in the same day as the ZABBIX Summit. So you can still register for the summit, and the workshops will be approximately a week after October 30, so a week after a summit. So long story short, what we can see on the ZABBIX Summit page right now, it's that it will be an online. The live stream will start October 30, and all you need to do is click the register button to actually sign up for the summit and attend it. Agenda. There are a couple of topics, 4 of those. That's of course not it, simply because there is still quite a lot of time actually for the summit, so agenda will be populated more and more. What we have right now is the topic about a security, so keep all the secrets encrypted and secure. Find out all about the new security functions featured in the latest ZABBIX release, so in the 5.2. If you don't know what I am talking about completely, remember the roadmap for the 5.2 is also published a while ago. Smart problem and anomaly detection. So a new set of the trigger functions, which again will give you great possibility and let's say flexibility to configure your triggers and be informed about the problem when it really happens. The teamwork, for some reason this is written in a bold, probably it's really important. So the user roles for the enterprise, like the new features to improve monitoring team daily work around the globe, and how to set up user roles for different team members, add language settings, and per user time zones. So these things that we usually did, let's say with some workarounds with the virtual host in our web engine, Apache or Nginx, so we had the different time zones for different teams. If we had them right now, all of these will be native settings in the ZABBIX frontend with the release of the 5.2 version. IoT monitoring, always super interesting, so not talking about, let's say, casual things as server monitoring, network stuff monitoring, databases, applications, but really monitoring some IoT, sensors, industrial equipment using Modbus or MQTT protocols to collect the data, so also will be very interesting to listen. Remember that there still is a chance to become a sponsor. Like if you have an interesting ZABBIX project, case study, or invention, this is your, become a speaker. So this is your chance to speak out. So you can see there's just 4 topics published at the moment. If you really let's say know something interesting about a ZABBIX, or you have some interesting use case in your company, or maybe in just some separate project for your home project, whatever else, and you feel that this might be interesting. Again, previously it might not be very convenient because you'd have to first of all pay the money, so get a ticket to become a speaker. Second hand, you have to buy the ticket to the plane, fly to the Latvia, to the Riga, book a hotel, and then you will be able to deliver the speech. So right now, since everything is virtual, online, you don't need to spend any money again. Just submit your topic for call for papers. If your topic will be considered interesting enough, you'll be invited to become a speaker, and you can do that from your home, from your office, or some studio, or whatever else. So very easy, and you will have a great chance to speak in front of like 1,000-something peoples. Become a sponsor. So the stuff that I was telling previously, like you have a chance to expose your company name and gain publicity among tech-savvy audience from all over the world. So remember, there will be thousands of people, monitoring experts, big companies, and yeah, we all are interested in the same topic. So if you want to do some sort of sponsorship for the ZABBIX, you can click on become a sponsor and get all the details. So the list of the current sponsors, and also some history from the previous year's summit, which was held on site, so you can at least see the scale of the event, which is quite impressive. But again, this year, since it's gonna be online, we do expect that there will be a lot more attendees and a lot more people, so it probably will be quite a major event. and just a time ticking. So we have 49 days left, 11 hours 20 minutes, and don't miss it. So just click on the register button, and this will get you to the Eventbrite page through which all of this is organized, so we can again see the time, and the tickets is 0 till 52 euros. And previously I told that everything is for free, and it is. Like, if you just want to get online ticket to the ZABBIX Summit, as you can see, it is free. If you want to apply as a speaker, so do the call for papers, then it's again free. But the only paid option for the ticket is the ZABBIX Summit Online Fan Package, which have included the t-shirt and a ZABBIX mug. Like, all of you have seen these in all sort of the ZABBIX videos and pictures, but let's say it's basically impossible to buy it online, so there is no store or whatever where you could get this. So previously, only way to get these would be to actually attend some sort of the ZABBIX events or participate in some conferences where ZABBIX also is taking his place. So right now you can just get a Summit online fan package for 40 euros plus VAT, and you will get your let's say merch from the ZABBIX. Like, this will not gonna be it. This is like what you can see currently, the t-shirt and mug. There will be more interesting stuff for you waiting, shipped for you, so shipping is also included. Should be written here. It was summer, see more. So yeah, some information that you need to specify if you are purchasing the fan package. And that's it. So no need to spend money if you don't want to. You can just get a free ticket and meet us, meet the ZABBIX company in October 30. Listen to some interesting speeches all around the ZABBIX, and let's say next week after the summit also participate in some sort of interesting workshops, most likely about a 5.2 functionality delivered by the ZABBIX engineers. I will also post in the description links for the ZABBIX Summit webpage. So again, don't wait, don't leave it to the last day. Click that register button, apply for the summit, and we'll see how it's gonna go after those 49 or something days. Like, if you will be available, then just a couple of clicks and you are online with the ZABBIX team in the ZABBIX Summit Online 2020. Yeah, that's about it. So again, thank you guys for listening on me, and see you some later videos or in the ZABBIX Summit Online after a couple of days, like 49 or so, right? Thank you. Goodbye.